What's the meaning of busboy? Busboy. Busboy.
Busboy. Busboy. A busboy is a restaurant worker who is responsible for clearing and cleaning tables, setting them up with utensils and tableware, and assisting servers in various tasks such as taking orders and serving food and drinks to customers. They are often called upon to perform other duties such as sweeping and mopping floors, taking out the trash, and refilling condiments and supplies. The term busboy is believed to have originated from the practice of transporting dirty dishes and utensils on a cart or bus, which has since been replaced by modern cleaning technologies.